Normally, I'm showing you stuff from Shop Disney, Funko, Box Lunch, but today I have something a little different. Amazon. Disney Food Blog posted an article the other day. They were talking about how Funko was doing a promotion on Amazon.com for a little pack of a couple of different things. I just got this in the mail yesterday, and I'm gonna open it up on camera to see what we actually got. Alright. Double wrap. Oh, that's interesting. It's a box in a box. And because Amazon does Amazon Prime free shipping, I actually got this in like 2 days. I ordered it on Friday, it came on Sunday. Disney Food Blog's article showed that it cost $29.90. Well, whenever I went on and tried to order it, it was only $25. It looks like the price keeps fluctuating. All right, here we go. It's a pretty little box. We got 2 Funko Pez dispensers. One is Winnie the Pooh, Amazon exclusive. One is Piglet, Amazon exclusive. It comes with a pair of socks, and these socks look like they have little Mickey Mouses and Santa hats. And then it comes with 2 Amazon exclusive Funkos. The first one, Mickey Mouse in his little snow outfit. He's got his little hat on, and he's got a little scarf on. And then there's an Amazon exclusive Pluto, and he's just covered in lights, and he's got a candy cane in his mouth. I don't really have any Pluto Funkos, and I saw this one and I was like, ooh, I need that. Hashtag needed it. All right, let's check out these pins. The first one is Goofy. Then we have a Donald Duck. And the next 2 are actually pretty interesting because I have a Minnie and a Mickey, and these match. These Funkos came out last year. Here's what the pin actually looks like. It's Mickey ringing a bell. Here's what the Minnie Mouse one looks like. She's got her little caroler book. So I think that's neat that they actually made those look the same. These did not come in the box. I think that's a pretty good pack of stuff for $25 and free shipping. I have to say thank you to Disney Food Blog because otherwise I wouldn't have known. They're still available right now. Everything comes with the same thing, so you're gonna get these specific things. Did you take advantage of this offer? Did you even know about this offer? Did you like all the items that were in it? Put it in the comments below. But until then, remember, no capes.